Alright, what's up? I'm here in Liberia, Costa Rica, and we are staying at a house that is gorgeous. It's like a 4-bedroom. I gotta show you guys. You gotta check it out. But right now we're packing for diving. We're gonna go check out this beach called, the first beach that we're gonna go to is called Tamarindo Beach. And supposedly we can do some snorkeling there, some scuba diving. There's beaches for like tanning. What I'm looking for is to go diving. So you already know I got my dive bag ready, got my spear gun. I'm looking for lobster, red snapper, fish, seafood. That's what I'm looking for. Because I'm trying to do ocean to plate. Boom.
Alright, we're gonna go out here to beach access and we're gonna walk along the beach. Perfect area where Kelly can get her tan and we can spearfish.
So
beach access.
Alright, so in these houses, can we actually go over there? Like, because these are houses.
Yeah,
so
it's a trail, beach access.
Oh, it's a trail to the
yeah.
Oh, okay. So is there a place we can park, or is it parking?
Okay.
Duh, I just drive the car right here and then we can park right there, and beach access where we have spear guns, we have our dive gear. And
Yep. We'll just walk along this.
And right here is, where is that on the map? You see?
Right there.
Oh, that's not, well, it's dope. That's kind of far from here though. Is there any way we can get closer here? Because that's an actual, that might be a quarter mile.
There's a trail right here. Yeah.
And I'm telling you, I was trying to find this place coming back like from the grocery store this morning, and I was so upset. I was like, I wish I took a picture or something. I did not know where we were.
Well, we every time we turn off into this road, we missed it. Like,
yeah.
Cruise along, you know, it's like.
Looks like that orange one right there is our golf cart. That's what it looks like. This thing looks beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. We're in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. We got the golf cart. Taylor's coming out. Trevor's coming out. Kelly's coming out. Andrea's coming out. Roy is here. It's time to go to the beach. We're going to Tamarindo Beach first. Let's see if we can do some snorkeling, find some lobsters. We want to go tanning. Well, they want to go tanning, but me and the boys want to go catch some seafood. So I think we can do both of them at the same place. That's what we're going to do right now. So let's go. Hola. Hola. Man, it's sunny and nice out here. That's what I'm talking about. Why don't you guys secure the car, man? Oh. Boom, you take the key out. Boom, we're safe. Thank you for getting us safely here. Step one, Kelly's about to go get us a spot, right? She's getting a restaurant set up. We can get tables, we can get chairs. They're gonna find a beach place where we can post up at a nice little restaurant. We can get drinks and everything. That's cool. You can tell that she wants to be there. You can tell that's gonna be the cool spot for them, right? So if we can get them happy, then we can be happy doing our thing. Yeah. About to go get some boogie boards and surfboards from my boy Jonathan over this dive shop. That's his name, right? Jonathan, right? Yeah. Yeah, don't forget that though. Solid. Woo! Oh, what is this?
Chicken and pork and beef.
Oh, the
1 and 1.
¿Cómo se dice chickens? Pollo?
Pollo, cerdo y res.
Oh my goodness.
Muy bueno.
That looks delicious.
Yeah.
How much? For
1,500.
Oh, 1,500? Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get some boogie boards, come back.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sheesh. Oh, it's Boss Man. How you doing, man?
Good, yeah.
Come on, how you doing?
Nice to meet
It's
you.
Trevor.
Guys.
Taylor.
Michael.
Michael, nice to meet you, boss. So tomorrow, I think do like personal charter for a small boat to go free diving and fishing off a reef. That's tomorrow.
We're booked, my boat, but we have a second boat that I can ask him and see.
Okay.
I will call him. I will leave the information with Jonathan. He will give you all the information. You guys go in the water now?
Yeah, right now we're gonna get some boogie boards right now. But I'm gonna come back though.
Okay, I'm gonna call him.
But for right now, I'm trying to get 3 boogie boards.
I hear you, man.
Heck yeah, man. Are you ready, bro? Look at you run like that. It's a little cold. Where you at, bro? What's up? What's up? All right, listen. We're in Costa Rica right now. It's first time. Oh, first time in the water. Oh my gosh. Kick, 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 ah! Hey, let's go out to land and walk up. We're drifting big time. Woo! We just have to be conscious of that, you know? Because there's some people that don't even go boarding like that, and they don't even realize, you know? They come to the beach, they're like, wait, where's my family at, you know? Nowhere to be found. Yeah, because you're like 2 miles down the freaking beach line.
There we go.
Dang, we drifted like crazy. I'll be right back, right? What you got going on up in here, man? Woo-hoo! Coconut water? Yeah? Okay. Is it good? You like it? Let's see. Oh, he's Joe! Yeah! Get it, dog! Hey, hydrate or die. That's what my boy said. That's what I'm talking about. It's nice. It's nice.
I don't know why I'm not out here yet.
That's what I'm saying. It's so warm.
It's being too warm and sticky. And
Yeah.
I'm like, I just feel refreshing.
It does get a little bit sticky sometimes, but I mean, like when you get out, it's drying off. But
So I was thinking, oh, I'll get refreshed.
yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Costa Rica, baby. All the way. Come on, Tay, show us how to dance, bro. You never want to show us how to dance, man. Because I know he knows how, that's the thing.
He totally knows how.
Yeah, let's look at this menu, check it out. You see, that's pretty much what we're looking for, but also food menu, take one top, pass it around.
Definitely, the kitchen is close enough.
Oh, that's the wrong
The
spot.
club is closer there.
Is there another place like this, eat, drink, play? No?
Yeah, but now it's only drink.
I see, I see.
Food too. No. Yeah.
Yeah, because this big group, I'm like, hold on. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay, that's what I do. That's my thing, okay? They copied me, okay? That's my thing. Yeah, how about we go pay them? Yeah, we should totally.
Did you see how quick he was? That's my job.
I read it and then you said, I was like, okay. Now I see what's going on here. Just let me know if there's a restaurant menu, because now again, it's a kitchen menu. Sure. Oh yes. Gracias. I see chicken. I see seafood.
Or whatever. Okay. So there's something like that. Nachos, quesadilla.
Oh, this is it. They got everything.
I can't understand what the menu is saying.
Chicken. They have burgers, ceviches, chicken. Yeah, it's everything. Hola, hola.
I was trying to see where the speaker was in my.
You guys cool with this? Are you cool? All right.
How are you? You want to see the food menu? Yes.
Yeah.
And so most of what we're going to probably be doing is working in elementary schools, Taylor, just so you know. And Taylor's going to be a mentor to a bunch of kids.
Oh, God.
That's
Either
awesome.
maybe teaching English, but we would do it together. He's not by himself. Oh my goodness.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, that looks so
What is this?
Oh, you better
That
get
looks
that.
amazing.
What is
Share that.
Mahi mahi.
Okay.
Tuna. roasted potatoes, cold red snapper, lobster, and seafood.
Oh. So this top,
I
spin the big platter. Spin it.
Spin it.
Yeah. Hold on. Wait.
oh my goodness.
Wait. Yeah, with your hands on this. Yeah, go for it. So get the freak out of here. That looks ridiculous. Monkey right there.
Okay, anything else?
Family, anything else? Nope, I think.
Question for you. For 3 people, you think it's gonna cut it? Is there 3?
Yeah.
Okay, butter sauce with the.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. That's a
First of all, you will not eat that. First of all, I know you.
I will eat that.
You will not eat that.
I will eat
he'll
that.
eat
Wait.
I'll eat it. It's still moving.
it.
It's moving?
Oh, it still has the suction cups on it. So
It's
they're
not.
little
It's not
suction-
still moving. It's just calamari without the fry.
You will not eat that. Dang, he smashed it.
That's actually really good.
It's actually really good. Oh my god. We definitely almost fell back here. And next time go faster. I'm out of here. I'm not doing that again. You lost privileges.
Hey, I was gonna go full speed over that.
Yeah, not with me on that thing. No way. You sent it, bro. Send it. Okay, you did a great job.
You're welcome.
I'm not mad at you.
I told you guys to hold on.
I mean, it does have offer.
Bump coming.
She gives a warning, and then me and Taylor, the way that we grabbed the pole, we were so serious. Like we were tightening. No way.